Hi everyone, and welcome back to Modern Herbalist. Just a quick update for you. So we had this really sort of intense cold spell at the beginning of the new year here in England, with temperatures going down to like -5. But it's picked up a lot now. We're having highs of 10 degrees. Even though we're still in winter, it's just really picked up. And we've got a nice sunny or relatively sunny day as far as things go in January in England. So I decided to bring the indoor plants back outside, and so this is actually going to be more or less the setup for spring. I'm going to have these small trays for the smaller pots, and I'm looking to propagate another spearmint. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 spearmints and 3 oreganos, and then the other stuff, the thymes, the lavender and the Cola Artemisia, going to pop on here. Then I've got my lemon balms, obviously, and the peppermint, which I'm hoping will put out some growth in spring, but we shall see. Okay, so just in preparation for the spring, I'm gonna give these another prune, because as you can see, there's a lot of sort of browned and dead material, to be honest. So I'm maybe actually just gonna chop the top off this. That's the Cola Artemisia plant. Belongs to the wormwood family, I believe, if you're curious. This, all of these have gone a bit scraggly, to be honest. That really smells it. You can really smell the spearmint. This, unfortunately, after having put it outside, it's drooped a little, but I think it's still going to be okay. That's kind of normal adjustment to a new environment. I've seen that quite a lot in doing this, but hopefully it's still going to be okay. So I'm just going to take, the manky stuff off of this. Honestly, I'm tempted to prune this stem completely off, actually, just because, we've got this nasty stuff up here. And this was already an incredibly leggy stem, right? So I'm just going to chuck that off. It's okay just to go down there. It's just going to, biodegrade. That's fine. I'm going to chop all this brown stuff off. We don't need really any of this at all. And again, just going to leave it there because I don't want to overdo it, right? This, I'm going to leave it because it's already kind of stressed from having been put outside. It is a bit on the cold side, something like 4 degrees, 5 degrees right now, but should be okay. So moving on, I also need to do a bit of pruning of my lemon balm, because during the incredible sort of -5 cold spell, this developed some sort of black spots, and I'm not totally sure what is going on here, but it's not looking in the best of states right now, which is a bit of a shame because this thing's generally been incredibly healthy. But yeah, during this really intense cold spell, it started to droop a bit, and I think it's just a bit of seasonal dieback, but I don't know for sure. So I'm going to take chunks of this ugly stuff off, to be honest. Like, look at this, look at that, it's kind of manky, right? So taking some chunks of this off, if you'll excuse the camera focus there. It's not totally clear to me why this happened. Perhaps someone could let me know what they think. But yeah, we had this intense cold spell, -5 with a bit of frost, and basically after I came back to look at everything after that, yeah, the lemon balm had all these kinds of nasty spots, right? Like, look at this. I think it's going to be okay. There's still so much just healthy plant that I think it's going to be fine. I hope so, because these are my these have been my best performing plants, and they're my biggest plants. Again, I don't want to overdo it right now, so I'm going to leave that there for now. Moving on to these other ones. See, here's the thing as well. This one hasn't really had any problems. So clearly they haven't all been affected in the same way. So it might be a fungal issue or something that's particular to that first plant, and secondarily this one a little bit. But this one's not looking too bad, is it? So I'm just going to finish pruning these and kind of leave it there for now, alright? And I'm looking at setting up lemon balm production very soon. I've got my storage jars, and I'll let you know how that unfolds as well.